Welcome to my online class. After a long time, I am going to continue the chapter 3 from your computer. In the previous class, we have discussed about the features of Windows 7, components of Windows 7. Okay, and now we are discussing from the topic how to create a file, how to rename a file or folder, etc. Okay, I hope all of you have remember the two topics, features of Windows 7 and components of Windows 7. Okay, let's start. So let's start how to create a folder. Okay, so step 1, move the mouse pointer away from the icons on desktop. So what are the icons? The small pictures on the screen are called the icons. That means here you can see in the pictures. So these are the icons. This is the icons. Okay, so now we have to move away the cursor from the icons, and then step 2, click on the then we have to click the right option or right click. That means we know mouse have 3 buttons, and then from these 3 buttons we have to click on the right mouse button. Then step 2, click on the new option. When we click on the right mouse button, then some options will be seen in the screen, and from those we have to click on the new option. Then after step 3, select on the folder option. From this new option we have to click select the folder option. If you have computer in your home, then you can try it. First of all, click on the right click of the mouse. Then from this right click you have to select the new option, and from this new option you have to select the folder option. Okay, and then in the folder option you have to type name. For example, you can give your name also as you wish, and then a folder is created. Okay, so I hope you have some idea to how to create a folder. If you have laptop or computer, you can try at home. Then come to the point how to create a file. So folder means a folder contains different files, but a file contains some informations or documents or photos, etc. So how to create a file can be created in any program in Windows. For example, if we are typing in Windows 7 or MS Word, from those what we have typed we can create a file. Okay, in fact now you know to create file. You have created your files in MS Word and Paint in previous classes. Okay, when you paint or draw pictures, then you save this paint, isn't it? So this saving pictures is called file. After completing task, when you save your work and give it name, file is created. Okay, when you save the items, what you have written, what you have drawn, this is called a file. Simple. Then how to open a file or folder. So I have explained how can you create a folder, how can you create a file, then how can you open a file or folder that you have created. Then look at this, how to open a file or folder. When you have to open a file or folder, simply move the mouse pointer to the required file. Which file you have to open, you go to this particular folder, then double click on it, and then you have to double click on this folder. It is open and it connects. Can be few contents can be viewed. Okay, to open a I am repeating again, to open a file or folder you have to go to the file or folder you have to open. Then you have to double click the mouse on the file or folder, then it is open. Okay, then how to rename a file or a folder. Then I have just told you how to name or how to type a folder. Then you have for example, you have written your name, then you thought that the name is something different, you have to write. So how to rename a file. Rename means again you have to write a name, different name, then how to rename. So first one, rename means to change the name of an existing file or folder, to change the name. Okay, so step 1, right click on the file or folder that has to be renamed. Same, so we have to right click, then select the rename option. Then there are various options appeared, and from this we have to select the rename option. Then step 3, type the my computer book, a new name that you wish to give the full file or folder. This is very simple. First of all, you have to right click on the folder then or file, select, then from these options we have to select the rename option and type your name. Okay, so try it at your home if you have computer. Next, come to the next point. Now come to the page number 29, how to delete a file or folder. So a file or folder that is created by you, and you have to delete this. Then how to delete? So first one is select the file or folder that has to be deleted. Same. So select the file or folder, it is must. Then right click on the mouse button and select the delete option. So if you right click, then there are various options appear, so as like rename, delete, copy, paste, etc. So from this we have to select the delete option. Then Windows 7 confirms before deleting the file or folder. Then displaying a dialog box, press enter or click yes button to delete the file or folder, or no to cancel deleting. So first step 1 is select the file or folder that has to be deleted. Then number 2, click on the right option, right click of the mouse, then select the delete option, and then they will confirm yes or no. Then you have to select yes if you have to delete it, or if you have if you don't want to delete, then select the no. Okay, so these three steps are there for deleting a file or folder. Okay, next come to the point, how to move a file or folder. Move means you can move one or more files or folders from one place to another. For example, a folder is at the right corner of the display or screen, then you have to move to the left side. Then how to move this file or folder? Okay, then first one is step, select one or more files or folder to be moved. First of all, we have to select these items, that folder or file. Step 2, right click the mouse and click the cut option. Then when you right click, I have told you various options are appeared. From these options we have to select the cut option. Then select the location where the file is to be moved. Location means where you want to move the files. Then at that point only, at that position only, you have to again right click the mouse and then select the paste option. There, that means we have to move the folder. That means we have to cut and paste. Cut means what? We have to move it from one position to another. So first step is select the folder, second step is right click, then select the cut, then step 3, go to the position where you have to or where you want to move the file, and step 4, you have to paste this file. Okay, this is very simple. All of you today read this one that I have explained you, and you can try also at your home, then only you can understood better. Okay, so this is your today's class. I hope all of you have understood clearly. Thank you and have a good day.